बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज के इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे इंग्लिश पोर्शन के एमसीक्यूज, जिसमें हम डायरेक्ट, इनडायरेक्ट और एक्टिव वॉइस, पैसिव वॉइस को डिस्कस करेंगे। सबसे पहले हम डिस्कस कर लेते हैं डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट के कुछ एमसीक्यूज। ही सेड टू मी विल यू हेल्प मी। इसका राइट ऑप्शन हो जाएगा ही आस्क्ड मी वेदर आई विल हेल्प हिम। ही सेड मी लीव द रूम एंड डू नॉट रिटर्न। ही ऑर्डर्ड हिम टू लीव द रूम एंड फॉरबेड हिम टू रिटर्न। He says honesty is the best policy. He says that honesty is the best policy. Haris said, how clever I am. Haris exclaimed that he was very clever. She said, stop staring at me. She told him to stop staring to her. She asked him, are you crazy? She asked him if he was crazy. She said, go upstairs. She told me to go upstairs. He asked, do I have to do it? He asked if he had to do it. He advised us, do not be late. He advised us not to be late. The old lady said to her son, is it not your duty to help me in old age? The old lady asked her son if it was not his duty to help her in her old age. नेक्स्ट हम डिस्कस कर लेते हैं कुछ एक्टिव पैसिव वॉइस। The doctor bandaged the arm of the injured man. The arm of the injured man was bandaged by the doctor. Do you understand what I mean? What I mean is understood by you. The box can contain no more. No more can be contained in the box. He is singing a song. A song is being sung by him. We set the table. The table is set by us. He opens the door. The door is opened by him. I was laughed at by them. They laughed at me. We obey our parents. Our parents are obeyed by us. I will have finished that book. That book will have been finished by me. She was watching a film. A film was being watched by her.